and Republicans. I'm sorry if I wasn't clear on that. The Democrats have a slight advantage in those provisional ballots.
There was one thing, John, you and I were trying
to the restaurant. I have only the shiniest and dirtiest of tablecloths for you to sit on.
Oh. Well, yeah, no, that sounds great. We're just really tied up with...
Tell me, how does hot cheese with oil on top?
They're real concerned about their water. Yeah, they don't want body parts floating up in somebody's well. Yes. Yeah, because that's the danger, right? You get some Muslim finger popping up in the drink.
Is to strengthen OSHA standards and workplace protections so that when we are in a position to be able to do so safely as it relates to everyday Americans, consumers, and workers.
His last heartbeat, surrounded by an incredible team, but a team that was literally helpless to save him, was heartbreaking.
Wow, take that in. A nurse from Parkland Hospital in Dallas. For a second straight day, Texas set a new record in
Arizona's like this, as far as how it's going to go.
Right.
Most likely, polling is looking pretty good for Biden. But nonetheless, I just think this is fascinating that these Mormon women are just saying, like, no, fuck no. Let's
Rogers, sideline, Lazard, welcome back.
But Eastern Christianity takes this shit seriously. Like, pretty much all of Eastern Christianity, it's like they sucked all the joy out of the Western tradition and replaced it with...
To do that by November 26th, right? So within 90 days. And then the day before, on November 25th, the DOJ submitted a...
And now we have actual QAnon marches through the streets of the UK. We're talking about fucking pedophiles in America. So it's really hard. And so I think I really miss being in Mind, Body, Spirit festivals. I used to love to go to Mind, Body, Spirit festivals. These big conferences of all manner of pseudoscience, from alternative medicine right through to psychics. And one of my favourite things to do would just to spend a day walking around those places, just talking to people, talking to the practitioners, and just trying to suss out what's going on. And you'd have some of the...
Breathe through your nose. Well, people in this country aren't going to tolerate masks. People just won't do it. As if that's an argument. And so the person who brought up the conversation said, yeah, this is a public safety issue. It's a minor inconvenience.